What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Btwilla's Garage. Today we're doing some maintenance on the Acura MDX. This is a 2022 model and should be the same for any new recent Acura MDX. So we're doing the cabin filter, which is located in the glove box. Go ahead and empty your glove box as best as possible. Once you do this, make sure you have an OEM equivalent air filter on hand. I'll put a link to the one that I use in the description. There are two tabs that we need to decompress. On the right side, go ahead and push that. Easier to do two-handed. And the left side, I'm going to put you down just for a second to pinch those at once. In and drop the glove box entirely. So once we're in here, you can see this plate. We're going to remove that, and I'm going to pause to get some better lighting. If you guys do work in darker spaces, this little cheap Milwaukee knockoff light, I dropped mine and broke it, but it still works. Works great with Milwaukee batteries. So I'm just going to set that here, and that's going to give us much better lighting here where we're working. So you'll notice there's two tabs on the cover as well. One on the right that we'll press, and one on the left. Please note that the airflow goes down. This part says Honda, because we all know Honda makes Acura parts, but the airflow goes down. So there's our current filter. This is 40,000 miles. Ew. Check that out. Pretty gross. So we're gonna replace this. They have the airflow going down on the filter as well. Everybody, it's worth pausing here to note that obviously mine is not the way your filter should look. There appears to have been a potential rodent problem or a problem with the AC blower getting dirty in general. The way to check that, the way the air comes in, is through this cowl. And so I'm gonna check that further, but I just want you to know that all filters should not look like that. It's normal to have a few pieces of debris, but obviously mine's a different scenario. But we're gonna continue with the video assuming that yours does not look like that. I've got a bigger problem on hand, or did have a bigger problem on hand that needs to be addressed, but let's continue going with the new filter replacement. Here's our new aftermarket filter, airflow going down. And we're just gonna slide that directly in, take our cover, again, airflow going down, and seat it into place like so. And then we just indent those tabs, put everything back, and the job is done. I'm going to make sure that mine's fully seated two-handed, but I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial on the Acura MDX cabin filter. And my filter itself shows it's probably important to do every 20 to 30,000. We went a little bit too long on this one. Have a good day, guys. Thanks for watching.